Greetings, my people. Greetings. How are you doing? Depending on wherever you're watching me from. Today is Wednesday, and I want to prepare some chicken. Although I've started to boil the chicken, I just want to you guys to know the process. Boiling the chicken without, cooking chicken without adding oil. So let's cook our kienyeji chicken together. Welcome to McLean 987_KE. Na nashainusa. Welcome at McLean 987_KE, guys. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share, and to comment. Also, let me know what you think about my videos. So, welcome. So people, let's cook kienyeji. Let's cook. It's called organic chicken. Organic chicken. Huh? How do you cook your chicken? I'm not going to add cooking oil because it has its own cooking oil. Cuckoo. Lavina, mbona hiyo pani iko kwa meza mama? So people, I want to check. Moto. Nikoroge. Then I add soup. Remember, no cooking oil, right? No cooking oil. So I'll have to add a little bit of water. Soup, hiyo ni soup. And leave it to cook for a little bit. No cooking oil. Don't put oil when you're cooking your kienyeji chicken. Yeah, so here I want to check if the kuku is ready. And there we are. There we are. Voila. Kuku is ready. Now I want to make ugali. Kuku is ready. Kindly rate my chicken. Let me know out of 10. Let me know. No cooking oil, just tomato and onions. Tomato and onions, no spices. No cooking oil, no spices, just salt, tomato and onions and water. So it's ready. I want to prepare ugali. So it's time for me to cook ugali. Time for me to cook ugali with my kuku, my kienyeji kuku. Can you see it? Mtu anazoomingi aje video. Kama hisi ya kuzoom. Sindio najaribu na hizi. So let me cook ugali. Kesho ndio tutapika mama rice. So hiyo ni maji ya ugali. Want to cook ugali. Here is my flour. Flour imeisha. I want to cook ugali, just a little bit of ugali and kuku. Kuku ya kienyeji.
And kuku ya kienyeji.
Me being a Luya, I must add water for ugali. Being a Luya is
so fun.
No, it's expensive. So the water is boiling. Just want to cook faster. Within 5 minutes, I'm done cooking ugali. Seated eating. Can't wait to eat. I can't wait to eat. So I want to cook. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel and like the video. Let me know what you think about the videos, guys. Let me know what you think about the video. So my water is ready to start cooking ugali. Niko na unga kidogo, that's why I'm checking if it will be enough or not. But I know it will be enough. I know it will be enough. want to add more flour. That is enough. And this is hot water. So my ugali is ready. My ugali is ready. Here's my plate for ugali. There. Time for me to serve vegetable, not vegetable, but my kienyeji kuku. I want to serve. Lavina shika. Daddy. Yako. Karibu. Unapenda mugo? Taki, unataka mugo? Mugo uliza dadi kama anataka mugo pia. Mimi sipendi mugo.
Nataka mugu.
Imetosha. Nataka watu wapasuka kwa.
Taki nikuongezee mara?
Mara
Ni. Taki. Wewe kisha. Wewe nini? Mimi nitakula nini sasa? Mala. I'm looking for intestines. Hama inatangaje? Kwani ile mayai ilipasuka, ilipotea?
Zimeivia huko ndani.
So let me enjoy my food in peace. Here is my vegetable. Na mbona nimejichukulia kadogo? So let me go and enjoy my food. Usimwage. Haya. Sijawachukua, imagine. Inaenda kwa video. So my good people, let me enjoy my dinner in peace. See you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Bye. We love you.